Friends, in today's class, we are going to discuss and provide the solution of the question built-in functions that was given on class number 38. 4 to 5 problems are there. We want to solve these questions and run these programs. First question was evaluate the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. See, in quadratic equation, there are two roots are there and the formula is minus b plus b square minus 4ac root over by 2a, and another is minus b square minus 4ac square root by 2a. And the calculation may be in the three logics. If discriminant is 0, the formula is this one. If the discriminant is 0, the formula is this one. Greater than 0, formula is this one. Equal to 0, the formula is this one, minus b by 2a. And if less than 0, the formula is this one. Accordingly, we have to evaluate the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then a, b, c, three real number we have to take, means try to take as fractional values and give the condition accordingly. It is given the term b square 4ac is known as a discriminant as a quadratic equation. How the b square is written? B into b is b square or power b comma 2 as a function. 4ac means 4 into a into c. If the discriminant is greater than 0, means this one b square minus 4ac, then the roots are real and different. If the discriminant is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. If the discriminant is less than 0, the roots are complex and different. And those three equations, either of the equation at a particular instance will occur, means either this one or this one or this one. Now we want to evaluate with the programs. We take double or the float values. A, B, C is taken. First of all, b square minus 4ac, the discriminant will be calculated, b into b minus 4 into a into c. Whatever the value that is stored in the discriminant, and the basis of discriminant value, we have to evaluate the equation. If it is greater than 0, then two equations will calculate as we have given, root 1 and root 2. Then the formula is minus b, a square is discriminant, meaning b square minus 4ac by 2a, and root 2 is minus b minus square root discriminant by 2a. Whatever the value will evaluate, we display. Why the point 2 means after point 2 position we want to take. If the discriminant is equal to 0, the second equation will evaluate this one, and hence the second equation is root 1 equal to root 2, means the value of root 1 and root 2 is same, minus b by 2 into a. Whatever the value, that will be displayed. If either of these conditions do not satisfy, the third equation will coming to role if it is less than 0. If not greater than, if not equal, the last part is must be less than 0, hence no condition is given, and the third type of equation will execute and display. Suppose you enter the value of ABC and the result will be displayed accordingly. If you want to run this program, what we have to do? We have to move either to the online compiler, or we can move to the turbo compiler. Wherever we want to go, we want to run this program. Suppose this program is written previously, you copy this program, moves to your online editor and start running it. While running the program, it asks the value for ABC. Suppose we give value 2, then 5, then minus 6, whatever the value will be given, the equation of the two roots will be displayed. Accordingly, the other value you can give. Next comes to the second program to check the string is a palindrome or not. We have taken string as variable and reverse string is another variable, not predefined. 100 is the dimension. What is palindrome? The enter value and the reverse value, if same, it is a palindrome string. For example, if you enter RAM, reverse is mar, not equal, not a palindrome. But if you enter CTC by reversing, means if you read from right to left, that becomes CTC. CTC is a palindrome. Means the normal string and the reverse string, if it is same, it is known as your palindrome string. Hence, we enter a string as a string, suppose RAM, and that will be copied to the reverse string, means duplicate is made by the help of strcpy, means string and reverse string value now equal. Now we have to fix one string and one is reverse. Reverse string is reverse, means RAM becomes a mayor. If you compare two strings by the help of strcmp, On the basis of ASCII value of each character, if it is the same, the returning result is 0. Now RAM and MAR is not same, and hence returning result is not 0, hence not palindrome. If it is CTC, CTC is copied to the reverse string CTC, if it is reverse, that is also CTC, hence CTC and CTC is the same, and hence returning result of strcmp of those string is 0, hence 0 equal to 0, yes, the string is a palindrome string. That is run. And if you want to run this program, what we have to do? We have to again move to either online compiler or moves to your turbo compiler, then start running it. Let copy this program, moves to your online compiler if you are having. Suppose I have saved it in pal1.c. Suppose I enter madam, reverse string is also madam, hence it is a palindrome string. Palindrome. Suppose I enter BBSR, BBSR is not palindrome, hence the output will be what? It is not palindrome. So comes to the third question. Third question was input a character and convert it into the capital and small letter. We can take a character variable, we input by the help of a scanf. Suppose I enter small a, then 2 upper x means it becomes the capital letter, and 2 lower x again it becomes the small letter, and the result is displayed. You can run it in the same way. There is no requirement I have to run because I have run it in the online compiler. The fourth question was to input 3 strings, concatenate, then display the resultant string. I have taken x of 10, y of 10 are the 2 string, and the more string will be z because the dimension is taken as 30, means in which string you want to merge, that dimension will be maximum. Suppose in x we enter RAM, in y we enter CTC, in z we enter hello. Now x value is merged at the end of z, means z's previous value was what? Hello, hello, and merge with RAM means hello RAM. Again y is merged at the end of z, previously hello RAM, now it is CTC, and hence the result will be hello RAM and CTC. I have run it into the turbo compiler, means x and y is merged in z, and the z result will be displayed. strcat is used to merge the string, at the one string will add end of other. Gettys is used to input the string. x10, y10 and z10 are taken as the dimension. If you want to run this program, then what we have to do? Moves to either online compiler or moves to your respective editor and start running the program for concatenation. Let's see. I am moving to my editor, paste it as I have previously written the program. Then I move to my turbo compiler and start running the program. Let I run the program. Suppose I have given RAM, CTC and hello. The result will be hello, RAM and CTC. The string is merged. Then move to the last program. The last program was find out the square root of x square plus y square. I have taken x and y as the real or float value. Suppose I enter 4 and 9. 4 square means 4 into 4. 9 square means 9 into 9. Then square root. And for square root, the mathematical function is used as sqrt and the header file is used mathratech. Whatever the result will generate, it will display as point value will be resulted. Hence, the format string is a %f. If this program will be run and the output will be resulted like this. All the 5 problems that was in inbuilt function I have discussed and run these 5 programs. I think these programs are understandable to you. If you are having any doubt, please make the comments. Those who have not subscribed, kindly subscribe the channel. If you like the video, kindly like the video. If you are having any suggestion, kindly make the suggestion. In the next class, we are going to discuss some of the questions left behind in user defined function. After completing the user defined functions program, we have to start in the next chapter as a file handling. Thank you. See you in the next class.